Welcome to Fountain Valley. I'm at Hue Oi. Hue is actually the imperial city in central Vietnam, known for some of the best food on the planet. So here, let me introduce you to the Danhi family. They own this place, and I came down to learn how to make dumplings from her.
Hi, how are you?
I am very good. Nice to see you.
Yeah, and my husband.
Nice to see you.
Now today, I saw you cook the bánh bèo with me.
Let's do it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So why don't you show us how you make it, because there's
Yeah.
something different here.
I have powdered rice,
Okay.
flour, and bột lọc together, and two cup for dry.
Okay.
For powder bột gạo and one bột lọc.
Okay. So we have rice flour,
Yeah.
tapioca starch,
And
water, but
and
you mix it, and I've never seen this before. You mix it, you let it rest for 6 hours.
yeah, 6 hours because I want the cup, the bánh bèo very soft.
So here,
Yeah.
hot water.
Yeah, the hot water before, I have the hot, the cup, the very hot.
Oh,
yeah.
you preheat the cups.
Yeah, they heat the cup
I
first.
hadn't done that before.
Yeah.
Preheat the cups.
Okay.
And then we pour a little bit of liquid in
Yeah.
each one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, like 30 or so right inside
Yeah.
here. Cover on, heat up.
Yeah.
Oh wow, full heat.
About 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes.
Thank you for showing me in the kitchen how to make these. Now eating them is also a process. So what's the best way to eat these?
First, the fish sauce.
Oh, you cut it in
Yeah,
half.
I cut. See, cut this. Yeah.
So I've got the steamed rice cake on the bottom,
Yeah.
the hun, right, the green onion with the oil, the pork crackling, and the shrimp.
Yes.
So let's see how this goes. Mmm. No, very good. Mmm. A little chewy, a little bouncy, but tender. My first trip to Vietnam,
Yeah.
about 20 years ago,
Yeah.
this was one of the first things I ate.
Yeah.
And you have explained to me, comes from Hue,
Yeah.
and so it was one of those recipes, and I'm sure you know, this is the first place that I saw it, but it's amazing to see this looks almost identical to what I saw in Vietnam
Yeah.
15 years ago.
Oh, yeah.
And so thank you for bringing a taste of Vietnam to me here
Okay. Thank you.
in Southern California. I
Yeah.
appreciate it.